Hey everyone, we are here to tell you what are the best things you can buy to make your kitchen better, more efficient and highly functional. And today, we are talking about one of the best choppers we have had the pleasure of using. This multi-purpose vegetable and fruit slicer, cutter, chopper, grater by Ganesh is the one-person army you need to have in your kitchen. The large Unbreakable ABS body comes with a tough rubber grip base that makes sure no matter how much work you're getting out of it, it stays firmly in place. After all, इसमें है extra sharp stainless blades, so we wouldn't want it to slip and slide around. The steel blades and the plastic blades both make it dishwasher safe. And हाँ, cleaning से याद आया, it comes with a nice push to clean button which takes care of the hygiene and cleanliness बहुत ही आसानी से. And for more convenience, the detachable container collects all your vegetables and fruits and can also be used for storing in the refrigerator. Great chop, slice, cut. The high quality stainless steel blades go through just this one multi-purpose device and you're